Hey friends, Karen Baskett DIYer here. All right, you guys, I am super excited to share with you the brand spanking new HTVRont hat heat press. This is a brand new product that they just released. I received mine today and I cannot wait to unbox it and show you some of the fun features. Now, I will not be demonstrating it in this video, just unboxing it and showing it to you. So here we go. HTVRont has definitely done it again with a beautiful, sleek, very nice looking product. That is one of my favorite things about them is they just really take into consideration how nice your craft room can look with their great products. I do simply love that. So we have the actual hat heat press that you see here. It's got this great LCD screen. I'll plug that in just a second and show you where you'll be able to adjust time, temp, and all that there. Okay, we've got the insulated safety base. So I like that it's domed so it would not be too close to a surface when it's resting on it. It's got this little silicone gasket in here to protect it from touching the plastic, which I'm certain is heat resistant. So it sits there nicely, you know, it would never touch that plastic. You've also got this lid, the hat press lid, and then you have the ironing mat or pillow, if you want to call it. This here, it's really nice and durable. I like that it has these little elastic hooks on it so that when you set it on here, you simply hook it on. And then it'll be easier to actually put your hat on here. Okay, so let me just show you really quickly. I'm not actually gonna be pressing a hat at this very moment. I'm just showing you this fun product. Okay, mine is a Velcro hat, so I'm having to deal with that too. But put your hat on here, nice and secure. Whatever how you want to do this. And my hat kind of puckers there a little bit. I think it's because it's the kind of hat that it is. But once I get it on there, you know, I would simply be able to put my design on and then press it, okay? I am going to plug this in, like I said, and show you the LCD screen here. You can go from 1 to 600 seconds. Temperature goes from 210 degrees to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's really a nice range for using different types of HTV and things like that. Okay, so let's see. We are going to simply press the power button here and turn it on. Okay. Got your temperature right here. Wow, this is super great. I really am loving that. Okay. Now, to set our temperature, it looks like we are gonna press this button right here. Looks like a sun to me. I'm just gonna call it a sun. Press the sun once. And then we would set it to, let's go 305. 305, and then after you get it set, you would press it twice. And now then it's heating up to the actual temperature. And now then for the time, you'd simply hold it down and then press it one more time, and then You can increase by 5-second increments, up or down, either way. And then you simply just allow it to heat up, and then you are good to go. I love too that it has a 15-minute auto shut-off feature. That's super great. I do love that about HTVRont products. I'm not certain if other competitors do that, but I do know that all of their heat presses that I own do have that great feature. All right, looks like it's heating up. And once again, I'm just really excited to unbox this and share this with you. Now that this is nice and cool, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the cord up and show you how it stows away. It also comes with this really nice little carrying case. If you're a crafter on the go, you can just put it in this bag, not have to worry about bits and pieces and parts, and you are good to go. All right, you guys, I think this is gonna be a fun little product. If you're a crafter on the go, you know, you have your hat press stowed away like this, you go to your craft events, you set up, you make hats. Easy as that. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and be sure to check the description below because there will be links and you definitely don't want to miss those. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. While you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get notifications each and every time I upload a video. Thanks again for watching.